What's up, Otters? Today we're going to cover what a media kit is and what some good examples are and what you need in your media kit. My name's Scott Bartnick. I'm one of the co-founders here at Otter PR, and I'm an expert in media relations. All right, so what is a media kit? Media kits are really pretty simple. They're a collection of all press and credibility that you guys can put together into one place. If you think about it, when it comes to like website development, it'd basically be a landing page with all of your social proof in one place, specifically around the media. Now, what do you need in that media kit? So when I think of a media kit, I usually think of something that's well designed, it has some cool graphics to it, definitely has a photo of you, has links to your media, it has some social proof and credibility, which would be if you're verified in social media, if you have a large following, showing that off, showing your reach. The goal with a media kit is really to help represent your brand at the highest level, to bring in new contracts, new arrangements, get you more press. Otter PR, we use media kits in a unique way. We actually use that a lot of times when we pitch to the media. So we'll say this client was featured in Forbes, they have a following of 25,000 people, they have a reach of 50,000, whatever those numbers are, we put it into a nice one-page package or sometimes a two-page package and present that. One of the best strategies here is don't attach a PDF to an email if you're going to use this media kit for pitching, but have a digital media kit where you can use a URL. A lot of people will not open an unknown link, especially from an unknown person, and it's more likely to go to spam. But a link will not damage your email that badly, and will add a lot of value when they can go click and say, oh, this person has a reach of 50,000. This becomes especially valuable when you're pitching things like podcasts. A lot of the reasons why podcast hosts want to interview people is because of their reach. So if you can very cleanly put together a presentation of why you're going to stand out and you're going to do a great job on their show, they're going to be very willing to work with you. Anyways, if you have any questions, reach out at any time, and please make sure to subscribe. Thank you, guys.